reflect on the words as we go about our worship services now. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Sing it out. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.